and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this pop out of frame photo effect on CapCut PC. You're going to want to copy and paste, go to cutout, and go to auto cutout on the second one. And you are going to select mask, and you're going to select any shape you want, maybe the star one here, or maybe a circle one. It's totally up to you, and you want to kind of place it in the middle of the object. So I'm just going to place it here. There we go. Then you're going to want to go here and you're going to select the mask again, and you're going to place it up here. Select both and kind of place it in the middle. And if you want to add in like a frame underneath, select a color from like the background here, or anything really would work fine. Just going to select this color, and I'm going to go to mask, and you can, I think, select like a different shape for it, but it's better if you just choose the circle one here. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'm going to create like a border around it. You can add more than one if you'd like to. Here, I'll show you. Copy and paste this and change the color to this orange one, for instance. Whoops. And here, go back to the mask and make it bigger than the first one. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!